Are you ready to make a difference? The EVIT Nursing Assistant program trains students to care for patients in hospitals and long-term care under the supervision of experienced nurses. With EVIT's hands-on training from industry professionals, you'll gain the skills and confidence to succeed in the fast-growing field of healthcare.
I eventually want to become a nurse anesthetist.
I want to be a registered nurse.
My dream job is to be a CRNA, so a nurse anesthesiast.
It's going to help for whatever, if you want to become a nurse practitioner, a nurse, a doctor even. This is really going to help you get that head start.
Caring for people, saving lives is definitely something that is involved when it comes to the healthcare field. So if that's something that interests you, for sure, I would recommend it.
I love that it shows that we can have empathy for people, and I love that everyone can come together and unite on like one single thing. We all are united by helping people.
Your future in a rewarding career starts here. Your future, your way at EVIT. Visit evit.edu and join the next generation of compassionate caregivers.